Hello, Harris here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your line app on your phone. So, first what you want to do is go to the Play Store, go up search bar, again, and find your line app right here. If you got your line app, you need to check if you have the newest version. Then, if the update is available, the update bar should be right there when it's the open bar. After you update and you have the newest version, there shouldn't be more issues. But if you have still some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So, first way is go to settings, scroll down, go to the apps management. Go up here, search your lineup, right here, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow off not allowed permissions. After this, there shouldn't be any issues. If you have still some issues and problems with your app, the last way is the easiest one. You just need to reinstall the app. Go to the line, uninstall, install again, and that should help. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.